Okay, so today we're going to be making some butterfly soap, and I've got so much going on in my head. It's almost like, let's start with what we're going to do for our colorants. Let's start there. Then we'll talk a little bit about the math. So first, this is the butterfly soap that we made 2 weeks ago. And as you can see, our blues are really bluing up. You know, everyone was saying how gray things were looking. And I said, yeah, the indigo bloom, and it totally does bloom. I wanted you to see the 4 colors. So this is our base, meaning the majority. So this is our large color, and then we had 3 lighter colors, or sorry, 3 smaller colors, a darker blue, the uncolored white, and then we had black. So those are the colors, the color scheme we're going for. But we're going to do it with green indigo today, and we're going to do it, here's the green indigo. So I know what colors I want to use, I'm just not sure how much of what, and I thought y'all could help me with that. We'll get to that in a minute. But this is the green indigo, and I made what I'm calling an extract. It's kind of like it's like a decoction, but I did a couple more steps. It's based on trying to extract the blue from the green. Highly don't recommend. But all of the info for how I made this is in the master class, Always Indigo. But we're going to be using some of that. I also wanted to use some madder root from Ann George. This will give us a nice mauve color. And then I thought, you know, why not? I've got a bit of the Brazil wood left. So let's try and use some of the Brazil. I'm all looking for my cameras because I'm all, whoa, what's where? The Brazil wood, I know it's really pretty. It comes out kind of like hues of yellows. So I couldn't decide. This is the amber that I'm in love with, that our extract is going to be very similar to this. And then this is what happens when you use the green indigo powder and you gel it. And then we'll have some mauve and some Brazil wood with the yellows. I don't know if I want to put this color in all of it and blend the madder root in and blend some of the Brazil wood in. Or should I go kind of like, you know, full on no blending, no contamination? I kind of want to blend it, but you know me, I'm kind of a blending gal. What do you think? Should we blend our extract, which has this wonderful amber tinge to it, in all of our colors, or just have this as one color, have the madder root one color, have the Brazil wood one color, and have the indigo powder one color? What do you all think? I'm going to blend the madder root because we know for sure what madder root looks like, and I think I really just want to blend it, but we won't blend the Brazil wood, okay? We won't blend the Brazil wood, and we won't blend the green indigo. So we'll have madder root with the extract, just the extract. Then we'll have indigo, and then we'll have Brazil wood. So those will be our 4 colors. Okay, thank you for that. I did do all my math. I used the Splitting Batches water soluble worksheet. This worksheet is available for both water soluble and oil soluble colorants, and it is with the multicolor batch splitting tutorial up on the website. Okay, so for the butterfly swirl, we're also going to use, this is just a gear tie. You get it for, I got 2 of them for like $5 from the hardware store up the street. So I'm just going to bend it to the length of my mold. The idea here is, this is my swirl tool. Once we get the soap in there, we're going to put this in. We're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, whoop, whoop. And I'm going to try and do a little more swooping down at the bottom, because when we were looking at our butterflies, I didn't get like that second part of the wing down there. That's why these weren't, I wasn't too happy as far as butterflies on these. They definitely look like moths, which is totally cool. Love the soaps, but we're chasing butterflies, which is why we're making the same design again. All right. Details for everything, you can purchase all of that with any of the master classes and tutorials based on what we're doing. All of this is going to be added to the masterclass live replay for Always Indigo, so you can snag it on the site now, and I'll be adding updates to it. So that's one thing that I do with all the classes, is add new content as it becomes relevant. Let's check the oils. Let's check our temperatures. Things feel cooler. Okay. Stirring. Oh yeah, we're at about 130. So we're still warm, but I think we're gonna be okay. So we can get going. And if we end up with chunky soap, you know, we end up with chunky soap, meaning a thick trace. Hopefully it just means we won't need to stir so much. So one thing I will not do is I will not pull out that stick blender, which will be nice. Madder root with an indigo extract. This is just the indigo extract. That's Brazil wood, and that is the unfermented green indigo powder. And by indigo extract, I mean I used the green indigo and I extracted kind of like a long-winded decoction. All those details are in the class for you. All right, let's start pouring. So we are getting thick. So we had some of those higher temperatures, but I think definitely went to our advantage. Look at that. We did not even use a stick blender. How cool. Okay, so putting most of my main color in there. Now let's see if we can butterfly this up. Oh, thickening up all that extra water. That's okay. We'll still be able to have fun with it. See how thick it is? Bloop. So we're just going to give this, I mean, I'll still do like the butterfly swirl that I was talking about doing, so you can see kind of the movement pattern of it, but I'm not expecting a butterfly. Okay, so we're going to go in, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to go down, up, then down, and back up. Happy Wet Soap Wednesday! All right, let's get to playing with our soaps. This is the soap we made last week. And just like the blue butterflies, it has a high water content. And I just wrapped it up a little bit so I could cut it with you today. I did trim off a little end piece. So this is our pretty soap that we made. And I am just in love with all of the colors. Check that out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Here's the little piece we chopped off, or I chopped off, just to see how things were going. Let me review the colors with you. So for our base, we filled the base, meaning the biggest color, the largest color in the soap. So this has the indigo extract in it. It also, the entire soap has some green indigo infused oil, which doesn't provide much color, if any. But we do have the extract in here. And then this orangish color here is the Brazil wood. Then our lovely maroon brick color here, that is our madder root. And we added the indigo extract to it. And then, oh, my favorite, chocolate brown from the green indigo powder added at trace. So pretty. Hi, Martha. Thanks for joining in. Good to see you. All right. Oh, I was going to say, let's cut it. But before we do, I had pulled off some blobs, just scrapings. So these did not gel. This is always fun. Base color. I keep saying base color, but we didn't put the extract in all of it. This is our extract gelled on our slice, ungelled on my little blob. Then here is the Brazil wood, gelled versus ungelled. I really love the Brazil wood. Then here's our madder root, gelled, ungelled. You're not seeing much difference with the madder root. I never see much difference, madder root, gelled, ungelled. And then this is the trace. So that's that really, really dark color in there, gelled versus ungelled. Best example of gelled versus ungelled soap ever. Totally cool. All right, so now let's cut our butterflies. Well, let's chase some butterflies, see if we can find any. Yeah, this is the side we're cutting. All right, so I'm gonna chop them up just like before on that last batch, just over 1 inch each. Let's see what we get. All right, oh good. Good. The green lasted. Okay, let me cut one more, because I bet you're all wondering, where's the brown? Where's that lovely chocolate brown? We'll get it tomorrow. Because right now, see the lovely chocolate brown? Here's our cut edge though, it's right here. It looks very, very green. Isn't that fun? Okay, okay. So did we get a butterfly? Don't think we did. Not there, but we're not done cutting yet. I'll leave those facing up for you. Yes, but this, actually, I'm gonna flip this one upside down. Check out how those colors are going to change. As we go through the live, I'll leave at least one bar exposed in camera range so we can see if we can find any, see if you can see the color change in real time. I don't think we will though. That green really needs to oxidize, and that's when you'll get your wonderful chocolate brown. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. So as I was saying, this lovely green will turn to this lovely chocolate. It will happen, but we can enjoy it in the meantime. All right, so this is my extra kind of end piece that'll stay for me. We'll leave it there. Okay, let's see if we found any butterflies. Ready? 1, 2. I don't remember which way I swirled on, so I'm gonna have to flip and open. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Oh, look! Oh my gosh, we got butterflies! We got butterflies! Oh, look at that! It's a butterfly. Oh, holy smokes! Look at that! Isn't that fun? Oh, lovely butterflies! Oh my goodness, that one looks more like a butterfly now. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, let's see if there's more butterflies. I can't believe we got one on our first look. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3. Kind of butterfly. Kind of butterfly. Maybe a little more emerging from chrysalis, wings still tucked in. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Butterfly! I call that a butterfly. Don't you? Do you think that's a butterfly? I think that's a butterfly. I'm totally calling that a butterfly. Oh my goodness. 3, 2, we get a butterfly. Kinda. Oh, look. We do have a little air pocket here. Remember, this batter got really, really thick because everything was so hot because I didn't prep efficiently and I had my oils. I melted them down because of the butters and I didn't take them off the burner soon enough. But it's totally okay. It was a great learning experience. We did, I mean, considering how thick, remember, that batter was really thick. You should go back and look at the video of last week's live to check out how thick the batter was. And considering that, and those little dark spots, that's the only air pocket we had, I think we rocked it, right? Oh my goodness. So, all right, we chased some butterflies. We found some butterflies. I'm so happy. I couldn't be happier with our butterflies. Oh, they're lovely. Oh, let's flap the wings one more time. Flap, 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 fly away. But yeah, that lovely green is going to morph into the amazing chocolate brown. That involves 0 chocolate. You can see it here on the edges of the pieces as well. It's all about oxidation and exposure to air. So here we are with our cut butterflies. These are the ones that had the air pockets on them. I noticed on this one, a little bit of cracking from all the heat we had. Overall, pretty good though. And as you can see, we did get that lovely chocolate brown on all of the bars.